It was Saturday morning, and the sun was shining brightly.
Today is Papa's birthday, Ava said, jumping out of bed.
Noah rubbed his eyes and smiled. We have to make it special. The two children ran downstairs to find their mother.
Mama Claire was already in the kitchen, drinking her morning tea.
Good morning, Mama. Today is Papa's birthday, Noah said excitedly.
Papa works so hard every day, Ava said thoughtfully. Mama Claire smiled warmly. I know. Let's plan something wonderful. Let's make him a surprise party, Mama Claire suggested with a smile. Noah's eyes lit up. Yes, a secret surprise party. Papa will be home at 6 o'clock, Mama Claire said, checking the clock.
We have all afternoon to get everything ready, Ava said happily.
Mama Claire wrote a list: decorations, cake, and Papa's favorite food. I'll make the cake, Mama Claire said. You two can decorate. Ava and Noah nodded eagerly, ready to start their special job.
Ava and Noah opened a big box of colorful balloons and streamers.
Together, they hung bright balloons across the living room ceiling. Noah carefully taped a big paper banner that said, "Happy Birthday!" Noah carefully taped a big paper banner that said, "Happy Birthday!" In the kitchen, Mama Claire mixed flour, sugar, and sweet vanilla. It smells amazing, Mama. Almost ready, Mama Claire smiled. I'm leaving work early, Papa David said. I'll be home in 10 minutes. Quick, turn off the kitchen lights, Ava said, looking around nervously.
Everyone froze for a moment, listening carefully at the front door.
I think they're coming.
The front door slowly opened, and Papa David stepped inside tiredly.
Surprise! Everyone shouted happily. That night, Papa David said it was the best birthday of his life.